Hello NEET PG aspirants. My name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Career Mudra, Bangalore. Students, today I am giving you the informations about Gujarat State NEET PG Counselling registration process, which has been started from yesterday. I'll first give you the informations about the schedule of this registrations. In this registration, first step is PIN purchase, online PIN purchase. The date started from yesterday and 9th, and the last date of PIN purchase is 15th of October 2 p.m. Online registrations from 9th of October to 15th of October, and the document verifications and submissions of photocopies of document at help center, that is started from 10th of October. Last date is 16th of October. So this is the schedule of the Gujarat State Counselling. Now I'll tell you informations about the registration process. You have to go to the Gujarat State NEET PG Counselling registration website. The website name is www.medadmgujarat.org. That is the website. Then you can go to the PG sections. Once you go there, this is the website as I shown you. Then once this page will open, after that you click in this part. Once you click in this part, then this interface will open. In this NEET PG registration in Gujarat, there are 4 parts. First part is purchasing the PIN. You have to purchase the PIN online. Second part is the filling the application process, entire application filling. Next step is uploading the required document, and the last step, which is very important, that is document verifications in the help center. In this page you will see this is the PIN purchase section. Once you click there, this page will open and you have to give your NEET roll number, NEET in your name, in the according to the NEET, then your email ID, then your mobile number. And here registration fees is 3,000 rupees and deposit is 25,000 for PIN purchase. You have to give the capture image, then you can pay the fees 28,000. Once you pay the fees, immediately you will be getting message of 2 things. One is your user ID and another is your 14-digit PIN. Both the things is very important for your registration process. Now once you get that, then you go to the candidate registrations and login. Once you click there, then you have to click there in this part, click here for new registration. Once you click there, you have to give your user ID which you have received in the SMS. You have to give your 14-digit PIN number, your email ID, your mobile number, your roll number, then your captcha. And once you give it, then you have to keep a submit. You have to submit this application. Once you submit this applications, after that I'll show you which page will open. Once you submit that, then this particular sections will open. In this particular section, if you see, by default candidates roll number, name, father's name, mother's names, everything will be there. Only you have to start it from here, birthplace. In birthplace you have to give which state, your citizenship, your address, then if the permanent address and correspondence address is same, you just make it same here. Next you have to go in the academic portion, which is very much important. In the academic portions, you have to mention which university you have done the MBBS. Here it is in Gujarat State Counselling, it is very important. Either the student have to do MBBS from Gujarat, or the student should be having a domicile of Gujarat. Then only they are eligible in Gujarat State Counselling. Okay. So you have to check which university. You have to mention your university name here. You have to mention which country, state of that, your passing college, which year and which month you have passed your MBBS, your internship date, from which date to which date you have done your internship, how many months you have done the internship. Mostly it is 12 months, but you have to mention that, your registration number, and which state you have done. Most of the cases, if the student has done MBBS from Gujarat, it will be Gujarat State Medical Council. In case if you have shifted from other state also, you have to mention this one. Now then if you are coming under any of this category, you have to mention that. Then you have to go to the generate password. See, in this password, I would suggest you to keep a very simple password. In this password, you have to keep it, notice two things. One is you have to make it an alphanumeric only. There will not be having any special character there. For example, I will tell you, you can make, for if any student's name is let's say in Sumit, so you can give S, capital S U M I T. If his date of birth is, for example, in 1999, you can give 1999. So Sumit 1999 is simple way you can do. The same, re-enter you can password. Keep in mind, they will not allow for any special character. Okay, if it is done, then you submit your applications. Once you submit the application, next step what you have to do, you have to go to the once you submit the applications, you will be getting an OTP. Okay, in this OTP you have to give and you have to save the changes. Once you save the changes, then next step will be uploading the document. Here you have to upload 4-5 document. First document is your final year attempt wise MBBS mark sheet. Final year's mark sheet you have to upload, your NEET rank card, your school living certificate or transfer certificate along with your birth certificate. These two things you have to club and you have to upload this. Next is your internship completion certificate and another is your council registration certificate. This is the document you will have to upload there. Once you upload all this document, then after you have to take appointment for the verifications. You will be having so many centers, help centers for the verification. Once you go to their options, then they will show which date, which time that verifications time is available. You can select your comfortable time for going there and you can submit your applications. Once you submit that, you will be getting a pop-up that your verification date and time is there. At the same time, you can download your applications of Gujarat. So after downloading the application, next you have to go to the verification center at the particular date and time and you have to verify all of your documents. So this is the complete process of registrations of Gujarat. Student who are a domicile of Gujarat or who has done MBBS from Gujarat, please do the registration here for government college as well as the private college. Hope this video is helpful for you if you are looking for admissions in Gujarat. If you are looking for this kind of video, you can let us know in the comment sections what state's registration process you are looking for, and if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you, students.